So guys, it's now bacteria free and we can safely use it onto our lips and we won't get any bacteria on our lips or something like that. So guys, please give it a try and definitely let me know whether it worked for you or not, and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button if you like this video. Thank you guys, stay blessed. Hello guys, this is Uzma Sheikh and welcome to my channel U.S Beauty. My today's video is about how to keep lipstick bacteria free and how you can remove the bacteria from the lipstick. So as you can see, I have so many of the lipsticks, and what I do to clear bacteria from it, or what I do to keep bacteria free the lipsticks. So I'll show you in this video how to keep it bacteria free. So I have many lipstick liquids also, and also matte lipsticks. I'll show you also of MAC and different brands. So every lipstick contains bacteria after sometimes after we purchase. So how to keep it bacteria free? So guys, I will tell you today how to keep it bacteria free. And we all use lipsticks, so it is very important to keep it bacteria free as it comes on our lips too and we eat with that. And so let's start now how to keep it bacteria free. So I'm going to show you now. So let's take the lipsticks. So I'll take the lipsticks with me and I'll show you how to keep it bacteria free. So here is the refrigerator. I'll open it and I'm going to keep these lipsticks in it, and what I'm going to do is keep it for 24 hours to keep it bacteria free, and after 24 hours I'm going to remove it and show you. So it has been 24 hours and now I'm going to show you the lip, and it is now bacteria free and you can use it like it is healthy now for using. So guys, do give it a try and also let me know whether it worked for you or not, and stay blessed and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button if you like the video. Thank you guys.